literally been so long since I have filmed a hair video that last time I did it, my hair looked like all of these crazy colors, and the one time that I didn't film my hair was the one time that a lot of you guys asked me what I did. I did a lot of steps, which is another reason why I didn't film it. Like, it was over the course of 2 weeks just because I didn't really want to damage my hair, and my hair was super bright. And if you guys have followed my hair journey, last time I tried to go blonde, I still had a bunch of pink tones, and I kind of like gave up and dyed my hair back to purple. So that's why I didn't film it, because I didn't think it was going to be a success. And I'm not saying it's a success, but I feel like it's a good base to start getting into the process of blonde. I'm just gonna pretty much bleach my roots here how I always do, and I'm gonna talk you guys through the process of exactly what I did. We have a kitty here who literally will not leave me alone. You guys can't hear it, but she just keeps meowing down. So as always, I get these two things from Sally's. It's both the Salon Care. I am going to be using a 30 volume. And then of course, if you guys are watching my hair video for the first time, when I bleach my roots, I like to part it right down in the middle. So I will bleach one side and then rinse it out and then do the other side, just because I'm not like a salon, I'm not doing it really fast, I'm doing it at home. So when I do half and half, it gives me a better control. So we're just putting some in. It's about half, hopefully. And then just using, again, 30. I'm not a hairdresser, okay? Do not copy me what I'm doing. I literally have no idea when it comes to consistency. What I'll do is in the description, as best as I can remember, I'll put down the steps of what I did, just in case, so you guys don't have to like completely like watch through this whole video all the time. I'll show you a photo of what my hair looked like right before I started doing the whole bleaching process. I think I washed my hair a bunch of times just to try to get as much of it out. Like, I think I did like one time like 3 washes in a row, but I'm pretty sure like after you keep doing it, your hair just kind of starts rejecting it. I don't know how much of that is true, but that's just something I've noticed, especially because it was color. I was probably just like over processing my hair with shampoo. The next thing I did is I did my roots exactly how you're gonna see in this video. With the little bleach I had left, I mixed a little bit of it with 10 developer. I was so messy, like I literally had leftover bleach. I put shampoo, conditioner, and then I just ran it through my hair because I had just bleached it, so I didn't want it to sit really long. And then I just probably let it sit for like a minute, and then I washed it out. I did get a color corrector that I feel like lifted it pretty well, but I can't remember if after that I ended up bleach washing my hair again. I left it in for like 10 minutes. I then ended up what's it called, toning my hair, and I don't remember what toner I used, but it was similar to the one I'm going to show you guys today. And I think after that I pretty much is like to the stage that we're getting at here with my hair that you see now. I used just purple shampoo. It is Lucetta. I got it from TJ Maxx and I like it. I haven't really tried other purple shampoos, so I'm not really sure. But yeah, that's how we got here. It was a lot of patience. Again, it probably took over the course of a full month to really get all of that color out. Also, I'm so messy right now with the way I'm doing this. I'm so sorry. So I'm probably gonna speed this process up.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
minutes now, and now we wait again. I kind of eyeball it so I can really see how it's changing. Like, I mean, really, dude? Are you joking? So we're out of the shower. We are, of course, going to be looking a little bit yellow, but this is kind of the back, you know, how it like separated. I did obviously mess up like a little bit right here, but it's fine. And yeah, I will meet with you guys when I finish the other side. Please don't mind my hair. It literally looks psychotic right now. We're toning your hair and I have to do it on towel dry hair. This is the toner that I literally always use. I'm pretty sure the other one that I use is like T15, but I could be wrong. This is the Wella Color Charm Lightest Beige Blonde, and pretty much every time I just mix this with 2 parts of the Wella in 20 Developer, but since I don't have it, when I actually went to the store, they were sold out, so I'm going to use just the Salon Care 20 volume. I'm going to mix 1 part this, so this has 1.4 fluid ounces, so I'm just going to literally dump this whole thing, and so 2 parts of this, so I'm just going to dunk 20 of these 2 times, but this is how I kind of start it. Go ahead and I dunk her on in, and I just start kind of like massaging it into the hair. And again, I'm going to leave this in for 30 minutes. All right, so this is the final result, and as you can see, I mean, hopefully it still is a little bit yellow on top, but I end up using the Lucetta purple shampoo like a couple times, and then that kind of grays it out. However, I would never ever wear my hair like this. I think it's fugly. I think it is literally does not look good on me. I just have it like this just so I can like properly show you. Usually if I wear my hair my natural length, I'll use the Revlon One Step. I'll link that video down below of how I use it. I would probably like take some out and like do something like this. Like that looks so much better than when it's like that. Like I hate that. So what I like to do is use extensions, obviously. These I just ordered. I'll link them down below. I got them on Amazon and I toned them with the same toner that you guys saw in this video. Something fun that I also like to do is use like all of my old hair extensions from when my hair was crazy colors, and hands down I love mixing hot pink lately with my black hair extensions. Now I am not a hair extension expert, okay? I know that if you have like really short hair, you're supposed to like braid like the bottom parts up in the head, and that's kind of what holds your extensions in, but I don't do that. The blonde ones that we're going to clip in are 18 inches, and then the rest of my extensions I believe are like 20 inches, 22 inches. I like kind of having different lengths of hair extensions. I love that these are thin so they blend in with my hair better. This is my natural length, you know, and then this is the hair extension, so it's about that much of a difference. Take some of my black ones. These are actually old. I think I got these from Sally, and again, this is like not the proper way. Like if I got in a fight and someone tried to pull my hair, and again, I'll just take a little bit of hair because I want the black to really stick out. I like to clip them in like this, where it almost looks like a streak, versus this is kind of hidden. Okay, let's redo that. And I'm actually going to take this and clip this right on top of the hair extension that we have, and this way it does give it a little bit more grip. It almost looks like it's one extension. The band is already so thin that me stacking another one right on top of it is not going to make that much of a difference. And now I'm going to take just a tiny bit more down, and again, it is because my hair is so thin, so I cannot like stack it high at all, or it starts like looking crazy. And this is going to be where our last clips are going to go in. I'm going to use another 3-piece clip. Again, it's just adding a little bit more like weight. I like small clips. As you can see, I messed it up from when I dyed my hair pink a while back, and I'll kind of just like bunch it up. So I changed into a shirt. Well, hopefully you can see. This is just so you guys can see a contrast, but hopefully you guys think that this hair looks 10 times better than the like shortness that we had going on. And of course, I do have more like single clips where if I wanted to, I could probably bring one more in and have it be even more dimension. And yeah, it's just fun to play around, and I feel like this is gonna make me really not want to touch my blonde because I could have so much more freedom changing up the hairstyles. Again, I won't know like all the steps, but like they won't be as accurate, but as much as I can remember from memory, I'll just have it down below in the description just so you guys guys can really see. But yeah, other than that, I guess that's pretty much it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!